In the fast-paced world of business, efficiency is the key to success. Introducing Swift Cloud ERP, the comprehensive solution designed to streamline your entire business process. Imagine having all your business operations seamlessly integrated into one powerful platform. With Swift Cloud ERP, you can manage leads, effortlessly convert leads into loyal customers, track customer interactions, handle staff assignments, and streamline accounting, all in one place. But that's not all. Swift Cloud ERP offers a range of modules for specific industries such as manufacturers, real estate, delivery, hotels, law firms, distributors, transport companies, NGOs, government, banks, investment firms, business consultants, and more. Making and receiving payments has never been smoother. Our secure payment gateway ensures that transactions are seamless, providing your customers, vendors, and staff with a hassle-free experience. Experience the power of Swift Cloud ERP, where innovation meets efficiency. Transform your business today and watch it soar to new heights. Swift Cloud ERP, empowering your business every step of the way.